Hey, what's up guys? Proker Gamer here, where today I will be unboxing the Valve Steam Deck. The device specifications are currently showing on the screen. There are also 3 tiers of this device. They're also currently on the screen. The tier I will be unboxing today is the second tier with 256 gigabytes of storage. So this menu tells you about the 2 buttons below the 2 trackpads of this device. The one on the left will open a navigation bar that you can use to navigate the sections like the store or the library. The button on the right side opens a quick settings menu that you can use to do actions like adjusting the screen brightness or viewing the battery information, and the position to put the SD card in. So this box has a charger for this device, as well as the further instructions. Now, on to the main course, the Steam Deck. This is a very big traveling case that comes with. Here we go, opening the Steam Deck. Three, 2, 1. Here we go. The Valve Steam Deck itself. Now let's see what this thing can do. So here you are on the home screen of the Valve Steam Deck. So the thing I really like about this Steam Deck is that there's a full-on desktop mode. That's right, a desktop on a handheld device, which I didn't think was possible. But now that I saw this device, I was surprised. So the way to go to the desktop mode is by pressing the Steam button, clicking power, and then finding the button that says switch to desktop. So click it, and then it will happen. So while it loads, let me show you the back of the Steam Deck. So as you can see, there are 4 back buttons on the Steam Deck that aren't set to anything by default, but you can set these to anything you want while playing a game. So here is desktop mode. The operating system is called SteamOS, which is a Linux-based operating system. So as you can see, I'm controlling the mouse cursor with the right trackpad, and the left trackpad is for the scrolling part. So to use the keyboard, you press the X button, and then you can move it by pressing the 3 lines button. So, now let's go to a web browser. Alright, Microsoft Edge. So, you can download any web browser you want. So, I'll be showing you how to do it. Okay, so here's a more clear view of my screen. So, this is the app you need to go to. It's called Discover. This is a place where you can browse through apps and then install them. So, for example, I'm going to go to the games category. So, as you can see, I'm scrolling through all of these. things that you can install. So now there's a search bar that you can use. So I scroll even more. Alright, so now I'm going to use the Steam keyboard to type in Minecraft. So enter. Now, here we are. So, Minecraft Bedrock Edition Launcher, Minecraft PI Edition Reborn, Client, and so much more that you can install by searching Minecraft. So, for example, now I'm going to install Lunar Client, which is basically a player versus player client for Minecraft. Now it's time to play some games on this device. So right now I'm going to be playing Portal, which has a custom UI which is designed just for the Steam Deck. And that was some pretty fast loading right there. Okay, so the performance on this device is pretty good, and it's very enjoyable. And almost all the games I play run perfectly at 60 frames per second. So that concludes today's unboxing video. If you enjoyed, please like this video. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and goodbye.